All you need to do is to head over to your browser and type in gmail.com and just click on load, and it will bring you to this particular interface. So the name of this email here is finegirl647@gmail.com. So I'm going to create another email from this email address, right? So what I need to do is just to click on compose. After clicking on compose, you just need to add a plus sign, and if there's any word you want to attach to the previous email address, to be like, if you don't need to add a plus sign, if there's any word you need to attach to the previous email address, you add it. So I'll just say, remember that my email address is finegirl647@gmail.com. So I'll just go ahead and type finegirl647. Then this plus came in before the at. Then I will now click on plus and I will now add Smith. Do you understand? At gmail.com. So after that, this is the email address, and you just, so after all this, we are just going to go ahead and type the subject. You can just type anything and you just click on send. You just create it, and when you open this email, you are going to see that the email you just created is just here. You can see this finegirl647 plus smith@gmail.com. So here comes the end of this tutorial on how you can create multiple email address under one Gmail. I know you find this tutorial helpful. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like those videos, and also follow this page for more tips like this. I know you don't want to miss out on upload like this, so do the right thing and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.